Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from Truist Bank. They have different departments, specifically loan departments that do like their mortgages and things like that. They are hiring someone to do administrative work. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. But Truist has 2,200 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an administrative assistant for their Kensington Vanguard department. Now, this is going to be in regards to like mortgage loans and things like that, specifically the title lending agency. Before we dive into all the details, I do want to point out that even though it says that they are based out of Virginia, it says you can work at any office location nationwide or remote. So this is remote nationwide for the United States. They are basically looking for somebody to join their team as an administrative assistant, answering phones, greeting clients, confirming wire instructions, looking for recorded certificates of satisfaction, ordering payoffs or HOA documents, making cover letters for policies and sending them out through email or whatever, and sending out any closing documents for the HUDs and agents and the loans and all of that. Now right here, even though it says an experienced administrative associate, the requirements don't actually require any experience. They are looking for somebody who has great attention to detail, who can be accountable and have great time management skills. You've got to have customer service and problem solving skills, be willing to be a team player, and have high energy and a positive attitude. But it doesn't list that any actual experience is required. Now, unfortunately, they didn't list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, paid time off, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.